Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Alawa L Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I do.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia? Can you
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any
Yes.
friends or any family members working here?
Yes, I have, ma'am.
Okay, so always remind yourself that you come here to work and not to find or not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
I
so
understand.
are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I don't have, ma'am.
Our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I can operate.
Okay, so are you a first timer?
No, I work in Saudi Arabia. I just came back from Philippines in last May.
Okay, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
It's a good country, I think, but my friends told me that there's a day off there, so it's good with me.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Hi, my name is Erlin Kanyamaki. I'm 27 years old. I live in Cargara, Leyte. I'm single. I don't have kids. I work in Saudi Arabia for 2 years, the finished contract. I I can do the household chores like uh, cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of the baby. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, Jorlyn, okay? When is your birthday?
My birthday is November 18, 1997.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 65 kilograms.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic,
Okay, what about
ma'am.
your educational background?
I am high school graduate.
Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, they allowed me to work in Malaysia.
Okay, so can you tell me more about your family's details? How old is your mother and your father? And what is their occupation? How many brothers and sisters do you have? And what is your rank in your family?
My father is Susano Kanyamaki. He is 62 years old, fisherman. My mother is Beatrice Kanyamaki, 65 years old. Huh? 65. Yeah, she's a housewife. I have four brothers. They have their own family. Now that me, I am alone. So yeah,
Okay, so is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
yes, they allowed me to work in Malaysia.
Okay, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in KSA, as you have mentioned just a while ago also. So you worked there for 2 years and you finished your contract, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities, your previous employment in KSA?
I do cleaning the house, cooking, taking care of the children, uh, cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes. That's
Okay,
it.
so how many children you take care?
Only five children.
5 children. How old are those children?
There's 10, 11 years old, 15, 9, and 5 years old.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what happened? Why you didn't continue working with your employer? Of course, you finish your contract.
I went to work another country, ma'am. I choose to work in another country. I want to experience the another culture. That's it.
Okay, so it's not new for you being an OFW because you got an experience already in Middle East, okay? So you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Employer here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, yeah, and houses here is quite big, so you need to get ready yourself because you might experience those things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I can,
Can you take your
ma'am.
elderly people?
What, ma'am?
Can you take your elderly people?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
can you cook?
Yes, I can cook, ma'am.
Okay, what variety of cuisine you can prepare then if you know how to cook?
Excuse me?
What variety of cuisine you know how to prepare? If what variety of cuisine you can prepare? Like what type of dishes?
Uh, Maybe kinilaw, ma'am?
Sorry?
Kinilaw.
Kinilaw? But are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yeah, I am ready to learn.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I have mentioned many times, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay with that.
Okay, if you agree, then work properly. Don't give us trouble. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm fine with the rules and regulations, ma'am.
Okay, so how do you fight your homesickness?
What is it, ma'am?
How do you handle your homesickness? Homesick. How do you fight your homesickness? Like if you miss your family.
I just going to call them through Messenger or any kind of apps so that I can call them.
Okay, so always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time, knowing that you are still a single one, okay? In Philippines,
Yeah.
you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Jerly. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye
bye.
bye.